I tried Mastering Gereja Tarung app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. This app claims to offer unique spiritual and church-related content, but most people get this wrong. They assume niche religious apps are confusing or low quality. I spent a week exploring it fully. On day 1, I navigated the app. The interface is surprisingly intuitive, with sections for sermons, prayers, community discussions and events. Most people skip exploring all features, but the variety is impressive. Day 2, I accessed my first sermon. The surprising truth, streaming was smooth, with clear audio and easy navigation between sessions. Many assume religious apps might have technical issues, but this one performed flawlessly. Day 4, I participated in a community discussion. You won't believe how interactive and welcoming it was. Members shared insights and support openly. Most users get this wrong, thinking niche apps lack engagement, but this app encourages real connection. By day 6, I explored event schedules and notifications. Everything was timely and organised, making it easy to join online gatherings or follow updates. Many assume small apps are poorly maintained, but this was well structured. On day 7, my final verdict: Mastering Gereja Tarung app is legit, reliable, and a meaningful tool for spiritual growth. The shocking truth: niche religious apps can be engaging, user-friendly, and technically sound, providing real value beyond expectations. With smooth streaming, interactive communities, clear notifications, and diverse content, Mastering Gereja Tarung proves that digital spiritual tools can enhance connection, learning, and engagement.